Do you know you can record your voice as a message on your WhatsApp status and send it out and anyone can listen to it? Yeah, let me show you how you can go ahead and do that. Come down and click on the pen icon. After clicking on the pen icon, it's going to open up like this. Come down to the green icon that has the mic, click on it. Once you click on it, if you slide it to the left, you're going to cancel the old recording right here if you don't want to record it anymore. Just like that, you can see it's gone. Now let's come over here and click on the status. Once you click on it, it's going to open up and it says who can see my status update. You can see the different options right here: my contact accept, and only share with dash. Now if you look underneath, it says always share to Facebook history. Note that anything I paste here except the voice will automatically be shared to my Facebook stories. If I don't want it to happen, I can come down here and click on this button, move it to the left. Once I move it to the left, that is like I'm activating it, deactivating it, and it won't be shared anymore. But I think I like it, so I'm just going to leave it on. See? So that is how you off it, and that's how you on it. Now let's go back. Come up here and click on the arrow on the left hand side. Click on that arrow. Now we're back here. We're going to come back and click on this mic icon. Give it a long press. We're not going to let it go, because maybe we let it go, it will automatically stop recording. So just keep it pressed on, and note that the recording can only last for 30 seconds. That's how long you can record. Now to send a recording, we're going to click on this green arrow right here. But first, you can listen to it by clicking here. You can also delete it by clicking on this icon. Now let's come back and let's post it on our status. Click on it, and now it's been uploaded to our status, and see status sent. But now take note that voice messages cannot be uploaded to Facebook stories, so it will not be uploaded to Facebook stories. But you can go ahead and upload pictures. You can also go ahead and upload videos. You can also go ahead and upload text from your status to your Facebook stories. Now let me show you how you can link the two together. You need to make sure that you're using the new version of WhatsApp. So go ahead and update your WhatsApp. After updating it, come over to your status. Click on share to Facebook stories. Come down and click on get started. Just wait for it to process. It's just going to take a couple of minutes. Okay, so come here and click on I agree. Make sure you go through this information right here. So wait for it to confirm. And this is it. It says share your status to your Facebook stories. Status will be shared to your Facebook stories audience. So you can go ahead and click on this dot right here if you want to. It says always share my status to my Facebook stories. So I'm now going to click on share now. Let's go ahead and click on share now. Click on that. After clicking on share now, you now see it says status share to Facebook stories down there. If you're quick enough, you can quickly undo it. If not, you could just leave it. So let's go ahead and check on Facebook. Here we are. Come over here to stories, and you can now see it right here. You can see my WhatsApp status is showing on my Facebook stories. Look at it right here. So that's how you can do it, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, do check out these other videos right here.